How to make your Instagram account private. Hey guys, welcome to a quick tutorial in which I'll show you how you can make your Instagram account private. So let's get started. First of all, you're gonna open up your Instagram application. Once you open it up, you're gonna go to your settings and privacy. Once you get to your settings, you will get right here. You can see we have our account center and we have a bunch of other settings. Now, you're going to scroll down a little bit and you will find who can see your content. Under this option, you will find account privacy, close friends, cross posting, blocked, hide story, and live. I'm going to click on account privacy. This is the option. Once you select it, now you'll be able to see that we have private account option, and this one I have turned on. That means my account is private. For you, your account, if it's public, this option will be gray. This button will be turned off. All you need to do is just turn on this option and your account will be made private. Remember, when your account is public, your profile and posts can be seen by anyone on or off Instagram, even if they don't have an Instagram account. When your account is private, only the followers that you approve can see what you share, including your photos, videos on hashtags and location pages. So, if you want to make your account private, very easy, simply click on this button. If it's blue, that means your account is private. Now we can go back and we can check our profile and it will be private. So this is how you can make your account private. And if you want to make it public again, this is the same option that you will be using. You'll go to account privacy and this time you can turn it off and your account will be public again. We can turn on and off this option anytime we want to. We can make our profile private or public. So this is how you can make your Instagram account private within minutes. I hope this video was a big help to you. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.